Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you how I used 50-cent items from Walmart and pebbles from Dollar Tree to create 2 vases. If that sounds like something you're interested in, just keep watching. First I used Gorilla Hot Glue to attach wooden blocks to each side of one of my bowls. Next I used Gorilla Hot Glue to attach my second bowl to the top of my first bowl. Once my glue dried, I used Gorilla Hot Glue to place stones that I purchased at Dollar Tree around the seam line of my bowls. For my plate, I used Gorilla Clear Grip and Gorilla Hot Glue to attach one plate on top of the other. And I also placed stones around the seam of my plates. To add feet, I placed wooden beads that I purchased at Dollar Tree to the bottom of one of my bowls. For my plates, the beads would not work, so I used 2 wooden blocks at the bottom instead. I used my soldering iron to cut a hole at the top of my vase where my plates were connected. I also cut a hole at the bottom of my bowl, which would be the top of my other vase. And I placed 2 more stones at each side of my hole. To hide my wooden blocks, I placed 4 more wooden beads on top of each side of my wooden blocks. Once I was done with my vases, I took them outside and I spray painted them white. I did not like the gloss effect, so I went back in with acrylic white paint. And next I'll show you what they look like. If you have enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss my next DIY.